What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing my shifter on my 2024 Honda CRF 250RX. I'll put the link below for the hammerhead shifter, which one I ordered. They were in stock, shipped pretty quick and everything, so it looks pretty mean looking. Alright guys, so as you see in here, this bolt right here is the one that you need to take out. You'll just need your 8mm wrench. So let's go ahead and get this on out of here. There we go. Get that whole bolt out right there. Now this should just be able to pull right off. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna wipe that a little bit and then go ahead and put the new one on. So stay tuned. Wipe that real quick. Alright guys, so then again, you put this out right here. I wanted it pretty similar aligned. I think I might actually like it a little bit up higher than what the stock one was, just because like the boots that I'm wearing and everything. But if I take this wrench that's pretty much flat area, this is up a little bit more, but it's not down where it's going to be an inconvenient where I have to put my foot down and shift. But I will just have to watch to make sure my foot isn't all the way forward on jumps. That way it does not downshift when I land, because that won't feel good. This bolt all in there. It is a 8mm bolt also that comes with this. Just put it right there on the bottom, and let's go ahead and screw this in. Finish putting that in by hand. Sorry you can't really see the best. Alright guys, we got that bolt all tightened down. The teeth are all lined up. It slid on real nice. Overall, this thing looks a lot better. Looks pretty sick compared to the factory one. So let's go ahead and give it a test real quick with my feet. Make sure it's all set to go. But if you guys had any question on the installation or anything like that, let me know. I'll go ahead and put the link below in the description. So this was hammerhead shifters. So it looked really nice, and I was very impressed with the product. Very easy to install. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.